Hi, this is Dustin with TechMD. Today we're going to be repairing a laptop, and we're doing the LCD replacement screen here. We're making these videos to show techs on how to do these kinds of devices, and also to show customers that we can repair computers. And we're also looking for techs around the nation. If you already have a business or want to join our business, just go to our website, www.tech-md.com. Okay, today we're going to be repairing a Toshiba Satellite c75d laptop. That's all I needed to type in for the model for the screen. But dash b7100. Never repaired this particular Toshiba, but they're very similar to every other laptop for the most part, I'm assuming. So when you turn it on, the screen's just all cracked up. Now, it's hard to get angles on this, so I'm just going to try to rotate this around as much as possible. So first things first, we're going to have to pop this piece off. Just run our tool along here. Most laptops are very similar on how the screen comes off, but not all. Some of the touch screens are different, which I have a video up there for that. Just running our plastic tool all down the side there. Best to do is just pop this out. Just get our tool in between the LCD here and just pop out the clips. It's very well possible that there might be a screw behind this one here. So let's find out. Yep, there it is. Go ahead and pop the other one out too. Just take our 00 screwdriver and unscrew these. First things first, I gotta find it. Move things around and things can get lost. Alright, let's see if we can get to these screws. I want to magnetize your tip here. pulling those out. Kind of clip underneath there, as you can see. Set that aside. Let's take out the LCD. What does it require? Take out LCD here. Taking out the other screw here. Oh man, definitely one of those pain in the butt screws. They have to put them at the wrong angle. Actually, 00 works better with the smaller stuff. This I'm using a 0 right now for screwdriver size. Pull this cable out. Separate the LCD. Okay, so now we got more screws to worry about here. Lovely. One missing here, so I'm assuming it's not supposed to be there. Yeah, that manufacturers forgot about it. Alright, we're gonna rotate it around here. And there are 3 screws. Okay, broken LCD out. Good LCD in. Okay, so first things first, we're going to line up the screws here. Get them halfway tightened. Huh?
The old one is working.
The old one? How's the old one working? You took it out.
Connect. Just to test.
Okay. What?
Put everything back or no?
No, test it with the new that piece without the other one in, which I just took it out. So just test it with just that now.
Test it again.
Yeah.
This piece.
With the rubber piece.
Fine.
we tighten them down now because it can support itself. Do little fingerprints on there, that's fine, but try avoid touching it. Okay, now for this side here, gotta lift it up a little bit. Good?
With the plastic.
Does it work with the plastic?
Yes.
Okay, good. So removing that one sheet fixed it. Perfect.
Did I put it back? No.
Yeah, I mean, that's all you needed. You didn't even need to come over here. You could have done it at home.
No, I mean this piece. No.
No, that's the piece that was giving us issues.
It's a kind of filter, right?
Yeah. Just a filter.
For the dust.
Yep.
Right.
Okay. Now that's on there. Let's get this connected. I like to leave the tape on there if I can. Okay, so this kind of fell out, so we gotta mingle this back in. It fell out again. Wi-Fi antenna is being a pain in the rear here. Okay. Okay, so next, let's get the screw up top here. Sorry, I missed that on film, but I just put a screw up. I get the other screw here. Let's do this side next. Gosh darn Wi-Fi antenna. Fell out again. Oh, yeah, that's the longer screw right there. I think we're gonna have to hold it up from behind. This is a lot harder than I thought. All devices have their challenges, I guess. Let's do this here. Having no luck with these damn screws. It just will not sit in there anymore. Finally. Jeez. A pain in the rear. I have to really press. I lost one of them too, damn it. Lost two of them. Screws are a freaking joke. A lot of pressure on them. You can just get one of these screws to stick, we're good. Using a lot of pressure to get those back in. Okay. One right here. Recommend starting on the outside first if you have to do this laptop. Okay, now for the plastic piece here. What I'm doing is just clipping this back in here. Okay. Put one of these screws back in. This is another one here. I have to go hunt for it. Plugging it in here to the power. And there we go, all fixed up. That's folks how you repair Toshiba LCD here. Hopefully your repair is not as much of a pain in the ass as it was for me. And yeah, this is Dustin with TWPD. Just showing, wait for it to come on all the way. Looks good.